Guys, we'll be back from 1 hour and 30 minutes today. Guys, looks like I've made it for 1,000 hours, so I have the behavior to yourself. Wait a minute. It doesn't like this though? Yeah, but if I was, no. Yes, I did it. Come on, we're gonna have this still. Hey, did you win a cake? It's mine? No, it's mine. Mine, no, mine. That cake is mine. Oh, good! Haha, that's it, finally! You're being under arrest for crossing an airplane with your gonna have the $5,000 people. You're banned for us for all year. You're going to jail for life and you're under arrest!
Oh no, I can't believe I'm in jail for hitting my daughter with a toilet plunger. Wah.
I am done for. I am going to break the
Frigging
toilet.
My life sucks. Kate, I love you. I paid your food. I bought your stuff. I did stuff for you. I bought a car for your mom. Did everything for them. Then they called the cops on me and sent me to die in prison or electric chair.
bluffing.
It's about time for you to go.
No, I don't want to die. I love Susan and Kate. I did everything for them.
Shut up, Moppin. Kate and Susan are not with you anymore because you killed Emily Monroe. Now come on, it's time to go. Don't make us come in there and drag you out ourselves.
I love them.
That's it!
Sorry, and I will not do it again. Uh-oh. Now we're in trouble. I know we're right. You haven't it. Oh yeah? Sure it is. I was letting the people ever again.